Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter with milk at home. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold for the best results. You'll be surprised how simple it is to transform a single ingredient into rich, creamy butter. We'll cover the essential steps, from selecting your cream to the final churning, making this a fun and rewarding kitchen project. Get ready to enjoy fresh, homemade butter. To begin, you'll need about 16 ounces of cold heavy cream, which is crucial for successful butter making. Avoid using regular milk, as it lacks the necessary fat content. You'll also need a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, or if you prefer a more hands-on approach, a jar with a tight-fitting lid works well. Don't forget a fine mesh sieve and a bowl for separating the buttermilk. Now for the fun part, churning. If using a mixer, whip your cold heavy cream on medium-high speed. You'll see it go from whipped cream to a lumpy, curdled stage, and then, quite suddenly, the butter solids will separate from the buttermilk. Keep mixing until you have a distinct ball of butter and a pool of liquid. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. After separating the butter from the buttermilk, it's crucial to rinse the butter thoroughly with very cold water. This removes any remaining buttermilk, which helps prevent spoilage. Continue rinsing and pressing the butter until the water runs completely clear. Then, you can knead in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt per 8 ounces of butter, or adjust to your taste. Store your fresh butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. For more great tips and deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.